Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining me. Obviously, I'm home here in my garage and I haven't had a ton of time to get out and do any camping videos lately. So I thought I would try a different style of a video and test a couple products that I've gotten recently off Amazon, but I haven't been able to use them out camping yet, and I wanted to just test them out, season this cast iron before I actually take it out in the field and use it camping. So I recently picked up a Japanese omelet style pan. I thought these were very unique and really interesting. This is I saw these on a YouTube channel, and then I did a little bit more research on them. So there's an actual method of making a Japanese style omelet. So you can look that up. There's tons of videos out there showing people making the Japanese style omelets. I'm not going to do that today, but we're going to take this in the backyard and test it out, cook some bacon, fry some eggs. I think this would be a great skillet for solo campers to use on top of a twig stove, on top of like a firebox folding stove where you're burning twigs and you're burning pieces of wood, or you're using lump charcoal or charcoal briquettes. This is a nice small skillet for one person, maybe two people. You know, you could cook a hamburger in here, you could cook a small steak in here, a couple pieces of chicken, a chicken breast. So there's lots of options. Let's take this in the backyard and fire it up. My wife and kids for Christmas got me this little pop-up fire pit. I haven't used it yet, so we're gonna fire up some lump charcoal, test this out, and I'll show you guys this cool little pop-up fire pit. I think it is awesome. I actually put it in my Amazon Christmas wish list and they picked it up for me. So super cool. We'll take the skillet out there. We'll take the little pop-up fire pit, fire up some bacon and eggs, and see how it works out. If you guys enjoy this style of video, if this is something you'd like to see going forward, like I said, let me know in the comments below, and I'll make it a point to make one or two of these, a month, and see if it's something that we can work into the channel going forward. I appreciate all your support. We'll see you in the backyard. Okay. First, I wanted to show you the dimensions on this skillet. So it's 6 by 7. Let's go ahead and get the fire pit set up, and then we will get the charcoal going. This comes with a little piece of fire fabric, so you could put it on a table. Comes with a griddle. And if you can see the bottom there, those two tabs interlock with the other piece to lock the bottom together. And then your grill goes right on top. So I thought this skillet fits the firebox perfectly. So let's fill it up with charcoal, get that lit up. Get those going. You can see the little pop-up fire pit has these points here, so the grill sits right on top there. You could sear a steak or cook directly on this. Boil water for morning coffee, burn twigs. So it's got multi-uses. I thought it was pretty cool. I'm going to grab the bacon and I'll be right back. we get to reap the rewards. This little skillet, perfect for one person, two people. I'm a fan. Let's check out these eggs. Nice and medium. Could have taken them off a little earlier, but that's delicious. Get a little egg. There we go. Cheers, guys. Oh, that's the best part right there. Right brand bacon. If you haven't tried that, check it out. Really good bacon. All right, guys, I know this video is a little different than normal. Thank you so much for joining me in my backyard. If you liked this kind of a video, give me a thumbs up. Let me know in the comments down below if you'd like to see more product testing, mods to the truck, videos of stuff I do to the truck in the future, and obviously more camping videos. So appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Cheers.